Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we will go to understand very simple steps about the container problem. So this is Leetcode container problem with the most water. Container with the most water means we will understand how to work on this type of problem. Okay. So very first, what we have given here is we have given a 2D graph, and it is saying that we have given the water between the two pillars, you can say, right? Let's suppose this is your container, right? This is your container. So this container contains the water. Okay. So if I'll say these two containers we have, means I will say if we will fill these two container, the water will be inside like this, right? For this case. But if you say no, I will not take these two, I will take these two. It means the container will be filled with this one, this level, right? Because if this length is, if this height is 8, right? But this height is 7, okay? So if we will fill the water more than 7, means all the water will come out from here. It will keep falling out and the water will be wasted, right? So the question is, if we will take the container, so what will be the most water we can get? What is the most or best container for the water, right? So most water will be saved if we have the more width and more height, right? But how will you calculate? Because the area saying that width into height means if you will multiply this width with this height, we will get the area. And if we will get the area, in that we will fill the water and we'll say, okay, this is the most water. That is why we have to take two things for the width. So let's suppose I'll take the right at here and left at here, 2 pointers. So we'll just to get this width is like from here to here, right? Let me change the color. So if you say the width is from here to here, right? It means what? The width, if we want to find, right, we can get right minus left. Let's suppose the width is at 8. So 8 minus 0 will become what? 8, right? This is the width. So we can get the width like this. Then we have height. So height we have 8 and 7. We need the minimum height. So height at 1 is 8 and height at 8 is 7. So we'll say the minimum of 8 and 7 we need is 7. That is why we have take the minimum, right? So because we need the minimum height, otherwise if we'll fill the water, it will come out from the container. Simply like we have any vessels, we have glass, we have anything. If we will fill more than the height, obviously the water will fall down, right? So this is what we need to implement, like area is equal to width into height. We have to find it, right? And if you come here, you just take the 2 points. Let's suppose when left is at 0 and right is at 8. So I'm using the 2-pointer concept so that we can find the area. So left at 0 and width is at, we will take at right is at 8. And though height is what? Height is become 1 and 7. Initially we'll talk about this one, right? So height become 1 and this is the 7 we have height here, right? Here at here. So height are 1 and 7. What is the minimum? Minimum between 1 and 7 is 1, right? And this is the width. You will multiply, you will get 8. Similarly, we'll move left because 1 is less than 7, right? So we have to move our left means from here we'll move to the next left, we can say. Okay. So what we need to do, we'll say, okay, just move the left, means currently our left was here, right? So we will move from here to next one, means previously it was 1, but we need this left we need, right? So for that we'll say, okay, because the height is less, so we have to move the left ahead. So we'll move the left, and so left will come from 0 to 1. So now the left, let's suppose, will move to 1 similarly, right? And height will remain at same, means the right will remain at same. So heights are become 8 and 7. This time the same thing will get the 8 minus 1 is width, and minimum between the height will get 7 into 7 will get 49. So this 49 is the maximum. I have calculated all the things. As you can see, we are getting the maximum. Similarly, let's suppose the height we are getting what, 8 and 7. So this time 7 is at 8 and at 1 we have 8. So what is the minimum? So 7 is less than 8. It means we have to move the right. So this time we will not move the left, we have to move the right in this side. So right will move to here. So now you are choosing this height, okay, and this height we have. So if you multiply, right, so similarly we'll get the minimum water here, right, because this is the mean height, and so you will get the width less, sorry, the area will get the less. So if you calculate that, we'll getting 18. Similarly, we will move to the right side because 3 is less than 8, and we'll find the, when left is at 1 and right is at 6, you will calculate again, you will get 40. So we'll keep doing that until we find the any max is there. But in this case, we will not get max. Max we will get is 49, because as you can see in this diagram, right, if we'll take this 8 height and this 7 height, minimum is 7, and we can get the max water because the width is also maximum, right? So we will try to find the max width with the max height, and we can get the max area. This is what we need to develop, right? So let's come to the code so you can understand, right? Very first, try to understand what we need to do. We will use the 2-pointer concept, where we have to place the 2 pointers left and right. So left will be at 0, right we will take at 1, right? Give me 1 second. So left we will take at 0, right we will take at n-1. So we will compute the area, height at left and height at right. We will need to find the minimum height, and we will compute the width into the height, and we'll keep track of our max area. What is the max area? Until that, we'll keep moving according to the given heights. If a smaller height is there, we'll say okay, height at left is less than height at right, so increment the left, otherwise decrement the right until that it will continue if left is less than right. So we'll use this 2-pointers algorithm. How? Let's see the code. We know that we have given all the heights, right? So you can calculate the max area. We have to track the max area, we have to keep track, and finally we'll return it. Before that, right we will take at n-1 and left will be at 0, and while left is less than right, we have to find the width and we have to find the height as we have discussed, and then we can find the area. On each time we have to keep track of the maximum area, and so that we will do math.max and we will find the max area. And each time we will check the if height at left is less than height at right, so increment the left plus, otherwise decrement the right. So this way we will calculate our max area and will return our max area. Okay, I hope you will like this video, and it's really easy problem, right? But the concept that you should know the 2-pointers algorithm. If you know the 2-pointers approach, it is easy for you, because we have to each time we have to move our left and right pointer according to the height. So the concept is that if let's suppose this is the height is here, right? If this is height, if this height is less than this height, okay, if this is, let's suppose we have 7, and this height, let's suppose we are 7, let's suppose keep little bit bigger, and this is your 5. So we'll say, what we will say, okay, the height at this is smaller than this is, if this is left and this is right. So this time we will increment the left, so left we will move to the next height. So if we'll get the max height, so we'll take this area. Okay, so this is what we need to develop. We should understand the 2-pointers algorithm, and we have to calculate our area, and once you calculate the area, you check with the previous area. If it is maximum, whichever is the maximum, you will update the max area. So finally we will return the max area. So I hope you will like this video, guys. But in case if you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box, and even I'll suggest please write the time complexity, space complexity for this program, and let me know in the comment section that you understood or not. In any case, if you need any help, please write in the comment box. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Also like and subscribe. Okay.